Hi guys, Fred Zint here from Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 27-5L Arctic Fox. Come on in, let me show you this nice fifth wheel. As you're coming in, they got these Morite steps. They're nice and sturdy. As you come into this unit, this is a rear kitchen, so I'm going to start in the back. You got a nice pantry here, storage above for like paper towels, and then you got cupboard space galore. And above the microwave, you got a Corian one-piece countertop, dual stainless steel sink, nice residential faucet, and then you have all kinds of space. You got full extending drawers, space below the sink, and then 3 more for pots, pans, etc. It's a 3-burner Furrion cooktop, your oven, and then your 2-door fridge. Over here's your entertainment center. You got a 32-inch Vizio TV, Jensen DVD Blu-ray player, cupboards above, and then a little slide-out pantry. Come on up into the bedroom. You got storage underneath the bed, and then you got a walk-around queen-size bed with storage above both sides, and then you have a full extending drawer underneath, and this one right here has a wardrobe slide-out for your clothes, and it has 3 drawers below each of the cupboards. Come on back into the bathroom. You got your glass shower corner. You got your medicine cabinet, and then drawers below, and then behind the door there's more pantry. Come on outside and I'll show you the rest of this beautiful fifth wheel. You got a power awning with a floodlight, 2 outside speakers, a full pass-through storage. The other side's got a larger bay door. 2 10-gallon propane tanks. Folks, if you want more information on this 2019 Arctic Fox 27-5L, please give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.